Augustine Church, located in Intramuros, Manila, is the oldest stone church in the Philippines. It was built in 1607. Renowned for its Baroque architecture, detailed illusion paintings, and historical significance, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site as a part of the Baroque churches of the Philippines. Silahis Arts and Crafts is a well-known store in Intramuros, Manila, offering a wide range of traditional Filipino arts, crafts, and antiques. It showcases unique items like hand-woven textiles, wood carvings, pottery, and vintage artifacts, celebrating the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. Fort Santiago is a historic citadel located in Intramuros, Manila. Built in 1571, it served as a military defense structure during the Spanish colonial period and later became a key site in the Philippine history, including the imprisonment of national hero Jose Rizal. Cannons in Fort Santiago are remnants of its role as a military fortress, positioned to defend against naval and land-based attacks. These aging artillery pieces, made of cast iron or bronze, now serve as national artifacts that affect the fort's colonial past and its importance in Philippine history. Fort Santiago, known as the Dungeons, is a dark and claustrophobic structure located in Pasig River. It was used by the Spanish and later Japanese forces to detain prisoners, many of whom suffered inhuman conditions, with some perishing due to overcrowding, torture, and drowning during high tide.